What's up, YouTube? Back at you today with another video. Today we're going to be working on this International, and we're going to be doing the engine bay. Got to strip everything down, that way we can get it ready for paint. And yeah, see how this goes. Apply that young stripper. Stripper. Rust coming in. Aircraft remover. Brush. Apply it where necessary. We'll be doing this hood too. This whole hood. So, just gonna let that set up for a minute, and you can tell, like right there, it's already starting to peel. Like do its job pretty much. So, just let that set up for a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this other side right here. And then I gotta do this whole piece in this area back here, so and gotta take that off right there and sand it, get it out, get all the crevices, take this off right here, and then I gotta get behind it, and then after that, other lately has been like so shitty, so I don't know, we'll see. Give you guys an update when I start taking it off. Let you know how it looks. We'll be back. What's up? I'm back. I got off work. Fuck all that. I know I didn't finish showing y'all that update, but I'm gonna pull up on Tommy. So Tommy just pulled up on me. Again, this nigga cord. Look at this nigga charger, good. This nigga whore. This nigga. Unlock the door, kid. This nigga got shit all in it. Come on, cuz.
Hold up, don't mind. Hold up, cuz. Who this? You got me on camera, cuz. What's up?
Yeah,
What's up with the GoPro?
Nigga. Hero 7, nigga. It's fucking no, bro, we're not gonna do that. This nigga wanna roll with the windows up, down and shit, nigga. No, nigga, it's cold as fuck.
How much it cost for me to see that? Bitch wasted. Fuck it, I'm wasted.
Chunky, wasted, can't shit, the whole hood love me. YG got beat, the whole hood funky. YG, the reason the whole hood.
Ay, bitch wasted.
Yeah, I smoke bowls. I don't smoke blunts. Let me find out, Black.
What?
Cupcake at his fucking finest, dropping off food and shit.
You know, you gotta keep the game tight, man. You know, if you don't pull up and do what you're supposed to do, the other nigga gonna do it.
Word. Back at you with another update. So I got everything down and ready to go. This is ready for primer. I should probably be shooting the day after tomorrow. I gotta, now he wants this other side done right here where you see the white stuff, but I got this side done, got that done up there, that's done, that's done. I got this front done. I gotta just physically flatten this, take this white part down, and then the rest I just gotta hit it with some sandpaper, make everything smooth, and then like I said, I can go ahead and start shooting again. And then this top is gonna come off, you feel me? Hoods are gonna stay off. Then we're gonna put a tarp over it, then we're gonna take that shit in the shop and we're gonna make it happen. But yeah, I mean, I'll just keep you guys updated throughout the weeks as I get it done. So all right, later.